Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious and healthy mint thogayal. This is a South Indian recipe. It's a very healthy recipe and very delicious too. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. I have taken about 10 shallots or small onions, 10 green chilies, about 10 garlic cloves which is peeled, about 4 tablespoons of urad dal. This is the full urad dal, not the broken one. You can also use the broken urad dal. So I've taken about half a coconut which is freshly grated and a small piece of tamarind, about a gooseberry size. This is a seedless tamarind. If there are seeds, do remove them. Now we need to take one bunch of mint leaves and one bunch of coriander leaves which is cleaned and washed. Always take the same quantity of mint leaves and coriander leaves. This combination works well. Now take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. First, let's add the urad dal, about 4 tablespoons, and saute it till it's nice and golden brown. The urad dal gives a nice aroma to the thogayal. Now stir fry it till it's nice and golden brown. Now you can see that the color has changed. Let's start adding the other ingredients one by one. Now let's add about 10 shallots or small onions, about 10 garlic cloves, about 10 green chilies. You can alter the spice according to your taste. Now stir fry it in the oil for about 5 minutes. Now let's add the tamarind, about 1 gooseberry size. Always remember to remove the seeds in the tamarind if any. Now let's add the coriander and mint leaves which we have cleaned and chopped. Always chop the coriander leaves finely and stir fry it. As soon as we add the leaves, you can see that the leaves shrink immediately and loses water. At this stage, let's add the grated coconut. I've taken about 1 cup of coconut, which is half a coconut, and stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Also add sufficient salt. Now switch off the flame and allow it to cool a bit. Then let's grind the mint thogayal. Now let it cool. When it is nice and cold, let us grind it in a mixer jar. This mint thogayal is a good side dish for rice and also for bread. You can also use it in bread sandwiches. It's absolutely delicious. It should be a thick paste. Do not add too much water. You can see that a mint chutney is ready. That's it, friends. Our delicious and healthy mint thogayal is ready. Serve it with hot rice or bread sandwich. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.